So it's not that bad. All I just gotta do is just brush off the thing and pull my car out, get my new brush over here, and then this ends the vlog. I mean, the snowstorm 2024. So lessons 101. Just ooh, look at this. Chisel away. This has been a Derek Shapiro production today. Well, maybe I can do it this way. Let's see over here. Let me hold it this way. Because I'm right-handed. Oh, maybe brush it back. Okay. Yep, brush it back. It's ooh, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Chisel away on this one. Brushing off your car. Make sure the roof is all clean. And make sure you get the windshield, you get the sides. Now the sun is coming out here. Nice wintry day. You get a little of the sunshine. So it wasn't a total washout of the sun. Look at that, clearing out the car. Come this way. And wow, it's not, I mean, that's not really much. I just gotta get it out pretty much. Okay, so going forward with this one. Oh, look at this big chunk. Wow. Well, there you have it. Me, Derek Shapiro. Oh, sliding down. Thank you much for watching today for the Snowstorm 2024. Thank you. Take it easy. Bye-bye. We'll see you tomorrow for D-Shop in the morning. Wednesday morning. Networks of Derek Shapiro Show.com, Lineage Show on DSS.com, countrymusics.ulissa.com, countrymusic.ulissa.com, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, TV.ulissa.com, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, radio.ulissa.com, proactiveradio.ulissa.com, proactiveradio.ulissa.com, feedthebush.com, revradio.ulissa.com, openmindsradio.ulissa.com, Spotify for podcasts, Spotify, listen notes, tune in to Radio Public, Audible by Amazon, Amazon.com, Amazon Music, Odyssey, and iHeartRadio. Search, tune in Derek Shapiro.